Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I was passing through southern Colorado and found this Hough HM Payloader. And it's had a few modifications done and probably lived a hard life, but thought I'd do a little video and walk around and check it out. You don't see too many of these anymore. This is one of the early four-wheel drive Hough loaders. And as you can see, it has these large full floating hubs sticking out on the front and the back. You can see the closed ball steering on the back. Very similar axle pivot like the newer ones even had. Great big cylinders. I don't know what the capacity of this particular model was. I'll have to look it up and I'll put it in the description when I do the editing. This one's had a conversion with a, looks like a GM gasoline engine and a 350 turbo no, I think it's a 400 transmission. But they kind of did a nice job on some of the fabrication. That idler and the fan mount, the pump, that little spline drive down there. It's got the 1950s style counterweight. This probably would have originally had a Hercules diesel or Hercules gas engine in it. It's like the dash is missing, but got your loader controls there on the right. Forward, reverse, parking brake. Shifters probably had the 4-speed in it. And as you can see, these loader arms are going up and down right beside you and pretty easy to lose an arm. A little bit dangerous, but that was before OSHA was nearly as involved. And I believe these are gravity down cylinders. No, these are powered up and down, except for this one here is powered both ways on the loader, or the bucket. The bucket obviously is missing, but pretty cool machine. Pretty cool to see these. They had these things here to protect the nose piece, which contained the fuel tank, from when operators would smash into dump trucks. Here we have the transfer case and drop box and forward reverse shifting. Got your master cylinder up there, the hydraulic drum brakes all the way around. Big old drum on the front. And then over on this side, everything's exposed. This used to have sheet metal over it enclosing all this stuff. Glass packs up top. It's got this cool nameplate on the side, Hough Payloader Model HM. Looks like it's got a dash on the side on this one, on the seat. But really neat machine. Thought I'd share. Thanks for watching.